Compressed air plays an important role in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Solid dosages, liquid orals, and sterile injectables like vaccines all require the highest quality of compressed air with zero contamination or traces of oil. However, compressed air traditionally has had several shortcomings, impacting drug manufacturing and handling, such as high maintenance cost, high risk of contamination, and presence of moisture. Introducing the AB series oil-free air compressors from ELGi. Oil-free, disruptive, your always better choice is here. With the AB series, you can be assured of contaminant-free, oil-free air as per Class 0 norms, which helps you meet global compliance requirements of ISO 8573-1-2010. The AB series also conforms to ISO 85737 to ensure zero microbiological contamination. Your always better choice also provides you with best-in-class reliability, performance, and lowest total ownership cost. What's more, with an ELGi AB series oil-free air compressor, low running speeds ensures less wear and tear, consistency in performance over lifetime, and low maintenance. The ELGi AB series oil-free air compressors operate at a lower temperature and require only one aftercooler, whereas conventional technology compressors operate at 160 degrees Celsius, requiring interstage coolers. This also results in reduced dryer load on downstream side of compressor. In addition, the AB series delivers higher pressure in single-stage compression compared with compressors with conventional technology, which deliver lower pressure with two stages of compression. Fitted with stainless steel rotors for better performance, every ELGi AB series air compressor comes with standard bearings for ease of maintenance. It also features an innovative cooling mechanism designed to deliver high cooling efficiency while recycling water. A key feature of the ELGi AB series compressor is the use of water for lubrication. This reduces operating cost of the compressor. The AB series delivers Class 0 quality air, while the water in the closed circuit is insulated with proprietary material to ensure zero contamination. The ELGi AB series delivers guaranteed Class 0 air along with the added benefits of increased reliability, consistent air quality with zero contamination, better return on investment, lower cost of ownership, fast and efficient service support, and best-in-class warranty. When the highest quality of air is essential for sensitive applications across your production process, look no further. The AB series 100% oil-free air compressors from ELGi.